So when I was chair of the biochemistry department here at U of T, we have to write these reports every 5 years. And what I realized is that we didn't have any outcome data for our master's or PhD graduates. So I hired a recently graduated PhD student to find all our master's and PhD graduates over the decade or so that I was chair. We got a lot of interesting data out of that survey, but one of the most startling to me was the finding that 15% of our PhD graduates became professors. I didn't believe that number at first. I said it's got to be higher, 50 or 60%. Why? Because we're one of the premier biochem departments in the country, in the world. We train the next generation of researchers and professors. I looked at the data and it was actually accurate. 15% of PhDs in biochem became professors. Then that begs the question, what about the other 85%? Are they working at Starbucks, or am I going to meet them at a limo driving me to the airport? The answer was a resounding no. They are doing amazing things. The problem was I as chair didn't know about that. Professors, except anecdotally, didn't know about it, and most importantly, our graduate students didn't know about those opportunities. So what we did was, Nana Lee, a recent PhD graduate from the department, and I created a course in graduate professional development. The idea of this course was to prepare our graduate students with the transferable skills and help them build their professional network so they could take advantage of these opportunities that are out there. We do things like teach a student how to take their academic CV and convert it into a resume and write a cover letter for their dream job. We teach them how to do cold calls and informational interviews to find out about what those jobs might be like and if they're suited to it. We've been very successful in this course, and it turns out that many of the students who have taken this course now have actually landed jobs outside of academia before they even graduate with their PhD. They've been headhunted and recruited because they have these transferable skills. So the graduate school at U of T has recognized this and has created a GPS program, Graduate Professional Skills Program. And the purpose of the program is to make sure that the graduate students at U of T are successful in their graduate work and beyond.